Carbide burrs are a staple in any machinist's toolkit when it comes to grinding slots and keyways in metal. Their versatility and efficiency make them ideal for precision work, especially in tight spaces where other tools might struggle. Today, let's take a closer look at how carbide burrs perform in action and share some essential tips to help you achieve clean, accurate results, while avoiding the common pitfalls of vibration and chatter. When approaching a slot or keyway, preparation is key. Start by ensuring your workpiece is firmly secured. Any movement during grinding can lead to uneven edges, excessive wear on your burr, and even safety hazards. Use a sturdy vise or clamp and double-check that your setup is stable before you begin. Next, select the right carbide burr for the job. Cylindrical burrs are excellent for straight slots, while oval or flame-shaped burrs can be useful for rounded keyways. The choice of burr shape directly affects the finish and accuracy, so always match the tool to your desired profile. Consider the grade of carbide as well. High-quality burrs will maintain sharpness longer and resist chipping, especially when working with tough metals like stainless steel or hardened steel alloys. As you start grinding, maintain a steady hand and consistent feed rate. Rushing the process or applying excessive force can cause the burr to bite unpredictably, leading to vibration. Instead, let the tool do the work. Begin with light passes, gradually deepening the slot or keyway as needed. This not only produces a smoother finish, but also helps prolong the life of your burr. One of the most common challenges in grinding metal slots and keyways is working within confined spaces. Restricted access can amplify vibration, which affects both precision and comfort. To combat this, try using a handpiece or grinder with minimal runout. High-quality bearings and a well-balanced motor can make a significant difference. Additionally, gripping the tool close to the burr increases control, reducing the tendency for the tool to chatter. Pay attention to the speed settings on your grinder. Carbide burrs typically perform best at high RPMs, but too much speed in a tight space can increase heat and vibration. If you notice the burr skipping or leaving uneven marks, slow down slightly and adjust your grip. Sometimes repositioning your hands or changing the angle of attack can eliminate vibration altogether. Lubrication is another tip for achieving a precise grind. A small amount of cutting fluid can reduce friction, carry away heat, and flush out metal chips, helping maintain a clean work area and a sharp cutting edge. It also prevents the burr from binding, making it easier to guide through narrow slots and keyways. After you finish grinding, inspect your work closely. Use a caliper or micrometer to check the dimensions of your slot or keyway, ensuring they match your specifications. A well-executed grind should have smooth, consistent walls and sharp corners. If you spot any burrs or rough edges, a quick pass with a fine grit abrasive will tidy up the finish. Whether you're a seasoned machinist or just starting out, mastering carbide burrs for grinding slots and keyways unlocks new levels of precision in your metalworking projects. Remember to work patiently, choose the right tools, and pay attention to the details that make all the difference. If you enjoyed this demo or learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We share practical tips, tool reviews, and expert techniques for machinists every week. Have you tried our carbide burr tools yet? Leave a comment below and let us know about your experience. We'd love to hear from you and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching and happy machining.